In 2025, this is how you need to proceed in any system design interview. So today we will start designing tinyURL. To design any system, first thing you need to check is the requirement part. For the requirement part here, first thing is you should be able to generate a short URL from the original URL. Second thing is when you click on that tinyURL, short URL, you should be able to redirect to the original URL. Now you cannot answer directly that length of this tinyURL will be 5, 6, 7, anything else. So to calculate the length of this short URL, first thing you need to check on the estimations. For example, in this case, I am taking some estimations that total number of writes will be 500 millions per month, which calculates 600 billion per century. And the number of reads are 10 billion per month, which calculated as a 4K request per second. So now, assuming you are going with the base 62 encoding, right? So when you take 60 to the power of some variable and calculate it, so 60 to the power 7 comes equal to 3 trillion, which is more than sufficient in our case because we were having total number of writes as 600 billion only. And now when we are having n equal to 7, total number of options available to us are 3 trillion, which is more than sufficient. So this is how you can explain that n will be 7 in our case if we are going with base 62 encoding. Whatever the hash code that will be generated using your base 62 encoding, you will trim that part and pick only first 7 characters. Now when you are picking first 7 characters, there is a possibility you can face some hash collisions. Now what are the possible solutions to resolve that hash collision? In case of hash map, solutions are resolved using chaining, linked list chaining, right? When you have the same key, values are appended into the linked list. But in case of database, it does not work. So we have another technique, probing. It can be linear probing, quadratic probing, right? So it means in case of collision, you need to check on the next empty slot which is available. This is called linear probing because you are going to next slot every time. So in next video, we will check how to choose correct database. Till that time, stay tuned and do follow us. Please don't forget to share it with your friends also.